Read along to enhance your skills while speaking at regular speed. Thanks for joining us today.
Once upon a time, in a quaint town near the forest, there stood a magical library known as the Enchanted Pages. This library was no ordinary place. It held books that came to life, whispered secrets to curious readers, and sparked adventures beyond imagination. One sunny morning, a curious young girl named Maya skipped through the cobblestone streets, her eyes wide with wonder. She had heard tales of the Enchanted Pages, but had never ventured inside. Today, she decided, was the day for a grand adventure. As Maya pushed open the library's creaky door, a rush of warmth and magic welcomed her. The shelves were lined with books of every size, color, and shape, each waiting to tell its story. Maya's eyes landed on a dusty old tome with a golden lock and key. Intrigued, she approached and gently turned the key. With a soft click, the book opened and words shimmered on its pages, inviting Maya into a world of enchantment. The book told the story of a young wizard named Orion who lived in a faraway kingdom where magic thrived. Orion was known for his love of books and spent hours exploring ancient tomes in his grandfather's library. One day, while studying a particularly old spell book, Orion stumbled upon a spell that promised to unlock the secrets of time and space. Eager to prove himself as a skilled wizard, Orion cast the spell without hesitation. But something went wrong. Instead of unlocking knowledge, the spell created a rift in the fabric of reality, pulling Orion into a swirling vortex of magic. As Maya turned the pages, she felt as though she was right beside Orion, witnessing his adventures firsthand. She followed him through mysterious forests, encountered mythical creatures, and solved riddles that tested Orion's courage and wisdom. With each turn of the page, Maya became more engrossed in Orion's journey. She laughed with him, gasped at his discoveries, and felt her heart race during moments of danger. But as the story unfolded, Maya realized that Orion was trapped in a time loop, unable to break free from the spell's grasp. Determined to help him, Maya looked around the Enchanted Pages for clues. In a forgotten corner, she found a dusty book of spells with a page that glowed with ancient symbols. With trembling hands, Maya recited the incantation, channeling her courage and belief in magic. A burst of light enveloped the library, and Maya felt herself transported into Orion's world. With quick thinking and the knowledge she gained from the Enchanted Pages, Maya guided Orion to the heart of the time loop. There, she whispered words of encouragement and friendship, reminding Orion of his strength and resilience. With a surge of determination, Orion broke free from the spell's grip, and the vortex dissipated. As Maya and Orion stood side by side, they looked out at a world transformed by their courage and connection. Orion thanked Maya for her bravery and invited her to visit his kingdom anytime she wished. With a smile and a wave, Maya returned to the Enchanted Pages, where the dusty old tome with the golden lock and key awaited her. She closed the book, feeling the magic of her adventure still tingling in her veins. From that day on, Maya became a regular visitor to the Enchanted Pages, where every book held the promise of a new adventure and a world waiting to be discovered.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!